Chinese food.
Wow, is that your new superhero voice? Nope.
My ability to burp on cue is gone!
Your face. Ugh.
I have nightmares when I don't eat spicy food. Strokes behind, but I feel an epic comeback. Nope, that was my breakfast burrito.
In my stomach. Not just the ones I had for lunch.
Yeah, we ate a little something on the way over. Oops, pardon me.
Sometimes Casey can be so cool. Like now. Focused and grown up. Mature even.
Banana buddy. Come on, you got this. Let's go.
So many words.
Okay, Woodpecker, you've had your fun.
What was that?
Just the gator style.
Stop that.
Funny, though.
Look, you've just gotta stop giggling.
Take us for, we weren't hatched yesterday.
There's no way all that could have been caused by a simple case of hiccups. Ow.
Yours, Bev! You actually... A little help here? Hiccups go...
Phew, that was close. Or something, Aldo?
Not a peep.
Oh, you poor...
You know, I think they're really warming up to me.
The only ones dying tonight are your...
Lots of grass.
Daddy Pig.
Oops, sorry.